This Wynwood hotspot is smoking.
We're going to bring people authentic jerk chicken, jerk pork.
Decco's getting a taste of the islands at Dukanoo. Coming up.
There is something delicious on this menu that is definitely worth the trip to the MIA.
Celebrity chef Marcus Samuelson gets a taste of Jamaica in the middle of Wynwood. Now Decco's feeling the flavors at Dukanoo.
Jamaica, the land of gentle ocean breezes, luxury beaches, and lush plant life.
Yes, yes, excellent plants. I agree. But the island is also known for its delicious food. Yeah, we are talking about jerk chicken and jerk pork cooked on the grill. Sounds really good. Decco found a spot to give us a taste of the Caribbean right here in Miami.
Dukanoo is a restaurant, I would say restaurant lounge, right in the heart of Wynwood. Dukanoo means sweet thing.
The sweet thing about this place is they take your taste buds to the island of Jamaica.
We wanted it to be as authentic as possible. And we wanted to do that by having an outdoor jerk grill. We're going to bring people authentic jerk chicken, jerk pork. It's slow jerked for like a few hours first, and then seasoned again with jerk sauce, and then jerked again. All those flavors just get incorporated in it.
If jerk chicken or jerk pork doesn't do it for you, there's another mouth-watering option you can nibble on.
The jerk rib was really our idea of incorporating American culture barbecue, you know, with the Jamaican flavor. It's one of our most popular items on the menu.
Being from out of town, this is something I've never really experienced. It's been great.
As we continue to explore southern restaurants worth a taste, our next spot is a great upscale Caribbean dining experience in Miami, Dukanoo's.
Dukanoo's food is so finger-licking good, celebrity chef Marcus Samuelson gave them his seal of approval. He's featuring them in his documentary, You Have to Taste This.
I just could not be more proud to be able to highlight them and spotlight them. This is something that I love to do.
Marcus Samuelson being here was an amazing, an amazing experience, not only, but just a good tell of the fact that we were doing something right.
Their customers couldn't agree more.
It's like a lounge. You come here, sit back. You also have a party atmosphere as well. You get to enjoy great food too.
When you see that grill, you can almost taste it.
Looks good.
It does look good.
Delicious.
Smells great. Check it out.
I just need an air conditioner out there.